Board ACE is a learning system designed to achieve one goal: improving a school's board exam performance by 2 times. Let's see how this proven system helps students excel in board exams. This year begins with Launchpad, where students learn how to use Board ACE to set personal goals, plan their study schedules, and stay on track. For every subject, students receive QR-enabled study guide for building deep conceptual understanding, QR-enabled practice guide for extensive self-practice. They also get the Student app, a digital companion for their entire board journey. On the app, students set personal goals and create daily schedules for disciplined study. Complete homework assigned by their teachers during homework time. Use self-study time to learn through 3 powerful video types. 1. Prep videos. Build the prerequisite skills for previous grades to bridge learning gaps. 2. Concept videos. Deepen understanding of current grade concepts through clear step-by-step explanations. 3. Solve videos. Learn how to tackle competency-based questions by watching step-by-step solution videos. They also attempt practice tests for every concept to check understanding and track progress. The test prep section helps them get ready for upcoming exams, while the progress dashboard shows real-time progress and predicted board scores. Personalized reports highlight strengths and areas for improvement, so they know exactly where to focus. With Board ACE, every student has a clear roadmap, the right tools, and the confidence to achieve their board exam goals and excel, so that your school's board results are improved by 2 times.